Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another tutorial. Today I'll be showing how to find your Windows 10 product key using free software. Now you may be asking yourself, why would I need to do this? And the biggest reason I could see someone needing this method is in a situation where you are looking to reinstall Windows 10. Now, let's say that since you upgraded from Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, a new product key has been created for Windows 10, and this will show how to recover that product key. So we want to head over to any web browser. I'm just going to use Microsoft Edge to open up this web page. So we're going to be taken to the Nearsoft web page here. We're going to scroll down towards the bottom of the page. Under feedback, we can download product key and zip file. This is for 32-bit versions of Windows, and then underneath for 64-bit. Just make sure you're downloading the correct version. I'm right now on a 32-bit machine, so we're gonna click on download product key and zip file. So now we're gonna open that up. I'm gonna double click on this application. I'm gonna extract it. You can extract it to anywhere on the computer. I'm just going to extract it to the desktop. So now you want to open up product key. And there we go, very simple. We can see that we have our product name, the ID, and then right here is our product key itself. Now, I believe the software will actually pick up license keys for Office products as well. So if you have Office 2003, 2007, 2010, or that kind of thing, it will also pick up product keys for that. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. If it worked for you, please give it a like, and I will see you in the next video.